Good morning. Today I'm working on the Subaru Impreza. This is a 2019, but it's the same for I think 2016 to 2020. I'm doing the rear windshield wiper on this guy. It is super easy to do, so let's get into it. There will be a link in the description for this product. So all you do is turn this 90 degrees really gently and pull up. And the mechanism in here is just a closed loop. When you turn the blade enough, it just pops right out. Now when you go to put another one in, there are little stops in here, so you can't put it in wrong. Right there you can see that little circular stop, so it won't let you put it in this guy. So we'll put it in that guy. Push, it's going to push the blade just a little bit, and then once it's seated in, you can turn it. It's a very light click, but it clicks into place. And now we just check it, it's secure, you're ready to go. And that's how you do the rear windshield wiper on a Subaru Impreza. If this was helpful, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.